How to regulate sugars with these three natural sources, which is rosemary, turmeric, and cinnamon. So you're welcome back to another videos. And this video we're going to discuss about how you can regulate your sugar with this natural process. Not long ago, I met an elderly man at a clinic in Lagos. He was frustrated despite taking his medications. His blood sugar was still rising. But then something changed when he started adding three simple natural ingredients into his daily meal. Those ingredients: rosemary, turmeric, and cinnamon. And today I will show you how this powerful spice can help you too. Rosemary, the forgotten herbs. Back in the village, rosemary was often used just for flavors in soups and stew. But what many don't know is that rosemary contains a compound that improves how your body uses insulin. It helps slow down sugar absorption into bloodstreams, keeping the spike under control. Imagine enjoying your favorite Nigerian meal and rosemary helping your sugar stay steady. Turmeric, the golden healer. There is a reason turmeric is called the golden spice. A woman I knew with type 2 diabetes started adding turmeric tea to her morning routine. Within a week, her energy improved and her blood sugars readings become more stable. Turmeric's secret is curcumin, a compound that reduces inflammation and help your body respond better to insulin. Cinnamon, the sweet protector. Now let's talk about cinnamon. Many diabetics crave sweetness, but sugar is the enemy here. Cinnamons offer a natural solutions. Study shows it can mimic insulin in the body, lowering blood sugar levels after meals. One man told me how he replaced sugar in his pap akamu with a sprinkle of cinnamon, and his fasting blood sugar dropped within a month. How to use them? So how can you use these three natural spices? Add rosemary leaves when cooking soup, stew, or even rice. Take turmeric in tea or sprinkle it into a pap or smoothie. Replace sugars with cinnamon in oat, pap, or even your morning tea. So consistency is the key. It is not about one-time use. It's about making them part of your daily lifestyle. So rosemary, turmeric, and cinnamon are not magic cure, but together they can help you regulate sugars naturally, protect your health, and give you more control over diabetes. So let me know in the comment sections which of these spices do you already use, and will you start adding more to your meals from today? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips that can save life like this. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.